CAD. So first you go to AutoCAD software and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode on. Then go to limits. So here specify lower left corner 0, 0 and upper right corner A3, A4 size 8, 297, 210. Zoom Z enter, A enter. Now we will go for a line command. Consider a horizontal line, any arbitrary point on the screen, and click on the first button of the mouse. Again, you just drag it and click on the horizontal direction, and again you just take the cursor to the top side and click on the first button of the mouse. Now we'll go for offset. Take the distance, specify offset distance is 297. Select this line and offset to the left side, and similarly offset the horizontal line by 210 mm. So you take the distance as 210 and select on this and click on the first button of the mouse here on the top side. Then go to zoom extents, zoom E, then go to zoom 0.7x, 70% of the display. So go to fillet, so select this and this. Similarly, you select this vertical line and the horizontal line, and now this horizontal line and this vertical line. So we have A4 size sheet. So then go to D-text. So click on start point of this and take the height as 4, specify rotation angle as 0, and type 23, the problem number. So draw the projections of the following points on the same XY line, and keeping convenient distance between each projectors. Name the quadrant in which they lie. So here you take P is 10 mm above HP, 10 mm above HP, and 15 mm in front of VP, and Q is 15 mm above HP and 25 mm behind VP, and then R 25 mm below HP and in VP is 40 mm above HP and in VP. So now we'll go for a layer and click on the new layer and mark this as XY, enter. So line weight as the default, select this as 0.13 and then go to default and select this as 0.05. Okay, now close the layer command and go to line command, draw a horizontal line of some distance, and then go to line, you select this line, any arbitrary line, and draw a vertical line and go to offset, take the distance as 10. So from here you take 10 mm in the top side, and then offset, take the distance as 15 from here at the down. So go to trim, take these two as the cutting edges and remove the other side which is don't want, and then go to erase and select these two. Now again go to offset, take the distance as 15, and from here you take the distance as 15, again you take the distance as 25, and from here go to line, take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this and again perpendicular to this. So then erase these two. Now the next is take offset 25 mm, select this, go to line, take nearest point on this to perpendicular to this, then erase. Similarly offset, take the distance as 40. So from here go to line, take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this, then delete this. Go to break, select this line and break it till here. Now we go for select this, go to change, go to layer, make this as XY layer so that you are going to get that line thickness as 0.13. So then go to donut, take 0 and outer diameter as 3, take endpoint of this and then endpoint of this, similarly endpoint of this and also endpoint of this. Similarly you take intersection point of this and take endpoint of this, then intersection point of this and take endpoint of this. Okay, now go to the text and mark this point as X and you mark this point as Y. Similarly put the caps lock off and mark this point as P dash and you mark this point as Q, P, and then come down to Q dash and then this is Q, and similarly this is R and this is R dash, and here this is S dash and this is S. Okay, now we'll go to move command, put the ortho off, select this and keep it here. Similarly Q and then Q dash, then here R, then R dash, then here S and then S dash. Then go to DDIM and go to modify. So take the offset from the origin as 3, then go to symbols and arrows, make it 4, and go to text and make it text height as 4. Vertical alignment is above, align with the dimension line, and offset from the dimension line is 3, and the primary unit take the precision as 0, say OK and close. Then go to dim vertical, take center of this and INT of this, so you're going to get it as 10. So take dim TED, so you select this and you drag this and keep it here. Similarly dim vertical, take center of this and take INT of this, so this distance is 15, you select this. Similarly dim vertical, take center of this, take intersection of these two here, then similarly center of this and take intersection of this and take 25 mm here. Similarly center of this and center of this, and this distance is 25, and then again center of this and to center of this, take this distance 40, then go to dim horizontal, take center of this and center of this. Now here I want text, give space, enter, so specify this, go to move, select this, move, you select this, move, then go to move, select this and move it here, and go to D text, select any distance, and now go to zoom previous and now zoom window, and now we'll go for the save command, go to appropriate drive and save as P23 and save it.